I want you to take the 5th exit.
The 5th? Where's that go to?
Hey, you...
No, I need to know first.
I want to see how you're going to do this. It's totally out of the box, but it's something I normally do who I feel they're doing very, very good. And I think you have got potential to do this. It's really going to test you. But if you know what you're doing, it's very, very easy as well.
Okay.
So the M65 roundabout, when we go there, what we have done so far, we have taken the first exit, don't we?
Yeah.
And we have taken the third exit.
Yeah.
Now, when we go near to that M65, what I want you to do, I want you to take the 5th exit.
The 5th? Where's that go to?
Hey, you...
No, I need to know first. I have to know.
Well, 5th exit, I'm telling you.
Is that coming back around to go?
Correct.
Oh no, I've not done that.
Yeah, I know that.
Exit. I've got to count all the way 4 and then signal to come off 5th
Yes.
exit. Oh no.
Come on, let's do this.
I think you'll have to help me.
No. So I would like you to take the 5th exit, go around a roundabout, coming back towards services, please.
Do I need to be on the opposite side coming back, don't I?
You need to be in the right lane. Yes, you're right. Very good, well done. Good anticipation,
I
yeah.
was going to go on until I saw the front of it.
Good. So are you counting the exits for me?
1,
Okay.
2.
Well done. So we're just going towards services, yeah?
Yeah.
It should be easy for you now what you're doing now, don't you? Think about it.
I'm looking at that car thinking it was going 3.
Yeah, good.
Oh. 4.
Okay, cancel. It's a bit too early there.
Yeah. I was thinking I was going up to motorway.
No, but that you just says 4.
Yeah, I know.
So where's your 5th then?
This one.
And now what would you do?
There is signal.
But do you see how easy was that?
I just can't breathe on roundabouts. I hate them.
Well, that's why I'm doing this with you, to take that fear
don't
out of
like
your
them.
mind. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so easy because you can't go to motorway, can you?
No, I don't want to.
And look what it says. What is sign telling you?
Services.
Right. Okay. I'm gonna try one more thing with you, and we're gonna have a break after that.